Okay, this is the class exercise from section 1-1. It's problem number 5. And unfortunately has very complex fractions, call those rational expressions here. But the idea is very similar to any time you have fraction, you want to look for the least common denominator. And when we look at this one, we look at the various factors that are on the bottom. And we realize over here is a combination of these two. So this would be your LCD right there. X minus 2 times x plus 3. And you want to take that and multiply it by both sides. As you can see, that's kind of a very long expression. So we're going to start cleaning it up, and we'll clean it up individually, each side at a time. So right here, we have cleaned up the left side. And what happened? We multiplied it there. The x minus 2 is canceled. That 3 on top is left, and an x plus 3. Okay, then you want to clean up the right side. And the x plus 3 has to be multiplied by the two major fractions that are there. And the x plus 3's cancel here. That remains with a negative 4 and an x minus 2. In this situation, you've got the two factors, both binomials. They both will cancel out. Nothing is remaining but the 22. Once you've cleaned up the left and the right, then put it back together. Left side equals right side. Okay, now you get down to just a basic linear equation that should be relatively simple to solve. Okay, we go through 3 times x, 3x, 3 times 3 is 9. Negative 4 times x, negative 4x, negative 4 times negative 2 is 8, and bring down the 22. As I've said, I like to clean up both sides. Well, only the right side needs to be simplified here. The left is all terms are combined that can be. So negative 4 plus 30. Now, pull all the variables to the left and all the numbers to the right. The negative 4x became a positive. The plus 9 became a negative. And that's 7x equals 21. We divide both sides by 7, and x equals 3. But always remember, when you've got these rational expressions, the fractions, that you cannot ever have a denominator equal to 0. So you need to go and look. This one, the first expression here, if x were 2, it would be 0. This part right here, if it were negative 3, x would be 0. And 2 or negative 3 would give you a 0 there. So since this is a positive 3, there's not a problem, and we can